Hey everybody, we're doing a review and demo of this 120 watt LED wall pack light with Dusk-to-Dawn photocell technology. This really came in handy for us because we were in need of a good security light to be installed on the side of our brick garage near an alleyway. Prior to that, we just didn't have a lot of good security lighting in that alleyway, and we also needed to be able to see the sidewalk heading back to the fence where we were walking, and this was just perfect for that. So let's get into the details of what you can expect when you unbox this. This LED wall pack in particular has an upgraded power supply, and it combines efficiency with brightness. And we're talking about 15,600 output of lumens and 5,000 K daylight. So this thing is super bright. It reminds me of one of those lights that you would see in the parking lot of a major department store where you park your vehicle, but this can be installed both residential and commercial. This is 85% energy saving, and that's really nice because you can install this and not have to worry about it. It has an automatic turn on and off depending on if it's nighttime or daytime. So basically, at sunset, this is going to automatically turn on, and then it's going to turn off at sunrise, and that saves 85% of the energy. As far as the installation goes, it's super easy to install. All we had to do was mount this on the side of the brick and drill some holes to make that happen. Obviously, you're connecting it to a hardwire connection, so you want to make sure that you turn off the breaker switch, and once you do that, the installation only takes really less than 10 minutes. Out of the box, this light is pretty much ready to go. It just needs to be mounted and hardwired. Now, this LED wall pack is insured to have performance over 50,000 hours. And if you calculate that out, if this is operating for 8 hours a day, you can run it for 17 years, which is great value. By the way, this is waterproof, which is good to have because obviously with this being outdoors, it's going to be exposed to rain and other moisture depending on where you live. I think the main takeaway for me with this is I love that it has that automatic turn off and on feature, that it's waterproof, that it's energy saving, and that it's going to last for 50,000 hours or 17 years. And it's going to provide the security that I've been looking for on the side of that garage. Overall, I definitely give it 2 thumbs up. It's a great security light, it's easy to install, and it's going to last you a long time. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.